Hi, I'm Nathan Lawson, and thanks for watching. And here we have the first aid surgical set on sale for $59.99. Now, always be ready for whatever medical emergency may come your way. Now, with this first aid surgical kit, you'll get all the minor surgical accessories you need in a basic military surgical kit. Now, the surgical tools are housed in a M.O.L.E compatible OD green nylon pouch for convenient storage and transport. Now, all the surgical instruments are actually constructed of solid stainless steel. No first aid emergency set is complete without this surgical set. Now, the included instruments are 2 straight hemostats, 1 suture set, 1 curved hemostat, 1 holder, 1 pair of scissors, 1 needle probe, 1 pair of tweezers, 4 alcoholic wipes, 1 No. 3 scalpel handle, 2 scalpel blades, and 1 pen light. Now, we're not talking about like major surgery here, but when it comes to a surgical set, this really is sort of your emergency essential pieces. You've got your lights, you've got your tweezers, you've got your you got all different types of pieces. You even got a couple of surgical blades. So if something were to go wrong in the field and you needed something fast, and if you had the proper medical advice, whether it be a handbook to show you how to do small surgical operations, if you needed to maybe do some stitching or some type of minor injuries, gracious, this might even be enough to do an appendicitis. I'm not a medical professional, so don't, if that's not true, I'd love to hear from a doctor to tell me, hey, exactly what could be done with this. But this is from what I understand, this is the basic for trying to get a small surgery accomplished on the field. Or maybe if you're in an area where you have been hurt, this should be able to patch you up to get to a better safety aspect. Well, once again, I'm not a medical professional, so I really don't know exactly the full aspects of this piece. But when it comes down to actual build, the pieces feel strong. The pieces feel like they will actually do the job. It's not something that is built lightly, but it feels like something that you could easily take and get the job done. I love the thing that I like the best of this, and you might think this a little odd, the fact that it comes with these alcoholic pads. Because if you're in the middle of the field and you do become injured, you want to make sure that these pieces are sterile. And the alcoholic pads would be used for such a thing, that you'd be able to take them out of the M.O.L.E compatible sheath and be able to sterilize your pieces in order to then, if you have an open wound, the last thing you want is for a non-sterile piece to go in and possibly cause even further damage. Of course, it even comes with a flashlight, so you're able to do something at night. There it goes. You just touch that piece, touch the clip right there, and there you go. You're in action. So it does come ready to use, ready to go. You've got all the pieces that you could possibly need. Basic emergency surgery. That's what we're talking about. Check it out.